Hi guys, welcome back to my channel. It's Eileen. I have a project share for you today, and this is for a design team project for Anna, who is My Crafting World Designs. And I wanted to come on and share the star bow die set and the bag topper. This is the large and the small bag topper, scallop bag topper with the layering pieces, and I will share with you what I created. Also, her Crafty Word die set. This is the Crafty Word set 2. You've got treats, memdex, trim, goodies, bows, and bling. And then the other word set, it has embellishment sequence, clay, mix, and shaker, and all that. So these are the dies that I played with today to make my design. And if you guys go and check out her website, you could always type in Eileen10 for 10% off of your whole purchase. And if you go check her out on her Facebook and Instagram and YouTube, use her hashtag MyCraftingWorldDesigns, and you could win a chance to become a guest designer for her team. For her shop. Sorry. So let me share with you the smaller bag topper set. I have used this bag topper before, and I did give it out in a giveaway on one of our lives on Them Crafty Girls. And so this is the bag topper, and I have the handle here. I cut it out in glitter and just cut the extra pieces off so I could layer the handle with some glitter, so it gave it a different, texture to the handle. And then I added some Dollar Tree trim behind the layering piece. And then here I tried to use the Dollar Tree rub-on. It was like a gold rub-on, and I can't find it now. Here it is. And it was not working on this paper for some reason. I don't know, it just didn't want to work for this paper, but you can find it in the Crafter Square aisle, rub-on transfers. So that's what I tried to use on the paper. I also die cut the shadow for the word in foam, and then I used a glitter cardstock on top for the word itself. And then this is just a Dollar Tree flower that I pulled off of this collection, also from Crafter Square. So there's the first bag topper. And then the second one, pretty much the same embellishment pieces, but my cardstock is purple on this one. And I use the word sequins, and I cut the word out with the foam on this one. And then I use the glitter cardstock as the shadow for the word. And then another Dollar Tree sticker and some Dollar Tree tulle in the background. And I thought that was cute also. And then here is the larger version of the bag topper. And I use the foam again to cut out the word. Look at that. And then the glitter cardstock for my shadowing. And then I just ruffled up some tulle behind the word on top of the layering piece. And I also added tulle behind the layering there. So there's 2 sets of tulle there. And then I added some more of the flowers from that Dollar Tree sticker collection. And then here's where the bow comes in. I did the handles again. This one's yellow. I didn't use the layering piece for this one. I just used the Dollar Tree tulle. And then the word was cut out of foam. And then the background had some gold glitter on the cardstock itself. And then here is the star bow. You can see I used glitter behind it. And on the previous video, I showed how I made the bow, put it together, and the layering pieces behind the stars. So, and it makes it really sturdy once you get that second layer behind the cutout. And then this rose was from a swap partner. I participated in a flower swap with Patty, who's Mommy and Me Crafts, and one of my swap partners made some clay roses, and yeah, that is gorgeous. So I finally made myself use it and put it right there in the middle of the bow. And that is it for my swap. I mean, my swap, my design team project share. You guys remember, if you go to Anna's website, mycraftingworlddesigns.com, use the hashtag if you do use her die cuts, and you, like I said, you could win a chance to be on her guest design team. You can be a guest designer. She's on Facebook, Instagram, and YouTube, guys. Just go in there and type in My Crafting World Designs and she will come up. So yeah, that's it for this project share. I hope you all enjoyed this video. You remember to use the discount code at checkout on Anna's website, and you could get 10% off your whole purchase. If you enjoyed this video, please give it a thumbs up. And if you're new here, welcome. Hit subscribe, join our crafty family, and also hit the notification bell. That way you know when I load another video and or go live on my channel. So go check them out, and I'll see you all on the next one. Thanks for watching. Bye.